You are reviewing all the cases of adverse events following immunization, or AEFIs, that have been reported in your district over the past month. You will need to analyze this data to learn more about the situation. Who is being affected? When and where are the cases occurring? What specific vaccines or types of AEFIs are showing up? Before you can answer these questions and uncover potential problems, you first need to organize the data from the AEFI case reporting forms into a line list. All reported AEFI cases from the case reporting forms should be documented in a line list. An AEFI line list provides information on each case separately, with one row for each case. This format will help you sort the data for analysis and recognize patterns that may need further investigation. To organize AEFI data as a line list, you will need to confirm the reported AEFI cases and collect information about each case on your line list. First, confirm that each reported AEFI case matches its standard case definition. AEFI case definitions, such as the ones shown here, help ensure accurate diagnosis of AEFIs. Check the AEFI against its case definition to confirm it was diagnosed correctly. Next, collect information about each case into a line list. Let us review the important information in this sample AEFI line list. First, record the patient's name and the AEFI reporting ID number used on the AEFI reporting form. Note that this number is not linked to the immunization register. Enter other patient information, including location and date of birth. Record details about the adverse event, including the date the patient received the immunization and a description of the reaction type. In this column, use the code to identify the AEFI as minor or severe or serious. Write the AEFI outcome as recovered, disability, or died. Also enter details on the suspect vaccine, including its name and dose and batch or lot number. If a diluent was used, record the batch number. Note the onset time interval, when the AEFI appeared after administration and the date the event was reported. If there was an investigation, mark that date as well. Finally, record final diagnosis and the suspected or confirmed cause of the adverse event. Use the provided codes for AEFI cause. Establishing codes for a line list, such as reaction type and cause, helps simplify data entry and analysis. However, codes on the form should be double-checked to make sure the appropriate code was selected. You now know how to confirm and collect AEFI case data in a line list.